What's up, y'all? Today I'm finna show y'all how to fix the goddamn header panel on a Regal 19. I want to say 78, 79. It's missing a chunk. So what I did was I put a little tape behind it to go ahead and get it that right angle. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fiberglass it all in. And we gonna make it look like this one today. Tune in. Okay. For one, first off, see it's cracked. All this is broke off and it's cracked. From here all the way to here. So what we gonna do is we're gonna take and grind it out. We're gonna grind it out. We're gonna grind it. You want to go ahead and remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. Go ahead and get this piece of chrome trim off. Might do another one and let y'all know how we chrome these motherfuckers. Just screw them back on. And in today's car world, you know, a lot of these parts are hard to come across again. So if you don't know how to, you know what I mean, if you can't find it, man, just fix it yourself. So what I was saying with that crack right there, we're gonna use a cutting wheel, which you can find at any of your local Ace Hardware, you know, Harbor Freight, got a cutting disc. Let's go ahead and get this trimmed up first. Take the razor. You can sort of see we got a line going right here. To make it easier, you could always get you a paint stick and lay the paint stick from top to bottom and come with your razor. Get you a paint stick. You live north or south. And I'm gonna cut it just right. God damn it now. Probably a little better than you thought. Boom. Okay, so we got everything prepped for step 1. And we got everything prepped for step 2. Step 3, we're gonna have to wait till step 1 and step 2 finish to do step 3. But we're gonna go ahead and sort of clean this thing up a little bit while we're waiting. Take this off like I said. Stay tuned. Show y'all my little setup. That right here is just holding this down. You see how it's tight right there. Tight at the bottom, but you see why I put the hair? Because I wouldn't be able to get my hands in there to put it in once it's time. So we're gonna go ahead and build up this piece. And then we're gonna come back, since we have this in there, we're gonna take another little piece, stick on this side, then we're gonna fiberglass that in. We're gonna wipe this, grind it back down, and then fiberglass that in to reinforce everything. Stay tuned. As you can see, okay guys, so we got the inside white, we got the outside white. Right now it don't look like much. I was over here and I found another little spot. I wiped it, and then as I was filing, I found another one, so I grinded it open. I'm finna wipe this part too. But you see where I put the, see how it made the opening? Boom. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come and we're gonna cut a groove where it was cracked sort of under the bottom. We're gonna slit a little groove in it, and we're gonna wipe that part. If you like what's going on, please like, subscribe, tell me what y'all want to see me fix. But this thing gonna look good when we get done. We got a couple more steps. We got a few more steps and we'll be complete. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. Let me show y'all what the outside look like a little bit. It's coming together. You see what I'm saying? Everything started line. You hear it? And now that's before we even gonna reinforce it. Now we finna reinforce it. I'm finna grind this back down. I put a slit in it. Now I'm finna grind this down flat. Grind this flat. I already took the bolt out here. Finna pull the stick out. Pull the tape out of there. It's come out easy, y'all. I just been sanding on it. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all see we got it. We got it inside. We got top. That thing smooth too now. We got the side. You know what I mean? All we gotta do is prime. That's all it needs is prime. Everything smooth. Everything smooth. Everything holler. Ain't nothing going nowhere. Been reinforced. Y'all like what you seen? Follow, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what y'all want me to see you do next. And until next time, little Steve O.B. and I'm out of here. We even fixed the side. It's all ready to be painted. Primed and painted. All right, y'all.